Alright guys, we are here at the cafe in Kanchanaburi, right next to the bridge, the River Kwai Bridge. So this is quite brand new cafe and decorated in the by these waterfall around. When we go find out. This place called Kanchanaburi Cafe, and they have also food here as well. So this is the way. Let me walk you through. I feel like I'm walking in Alice in Wonderland, and I got the missing here. Well, I gotta tell you that I could not talk because they have a music inside. Might be a copyright issue. Then I will just take you around and see this atmosphere and environment. So in case if you come to Kanchanaburi, or if I have a chance to take you guys here for tour, then I will also can take you here as well. And actually Kanchanaburi is well known as the nice cafe. You know, a lot of cafe here, they have been built the past several years. The past year, like before COVID, and then after COVID, they even built much more. Yeah, so now let's walk inside. Right, so good. Is it good?
Yeah.